Hello, Madalang people. I'm Gayam from Korea. I have a recipe book for Southeast Asian food. It's the coconut glutinous rice cake called bibingka is usually eaten in the Philippines and Indonesia during the Christmas season. Since it's Christmas season, shall we make it? Prepare unsalted butter, eggs, coconut milk, dry glutinous rice powder, baking powder, salt, cheese, coconut slices. Let's get started!
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Ang cute pa! The traditional recipe is made of 7 layers, but I easily made it into 1 layer this time. Filipinos use these methods to make bibingka muffins. You can bake duck eggs together. 내가 만들었지만 진짜 맛있다. 맛있어. 치즈랑 코코넛의 향연이면서 떡과 케이크 사이의 그 오묘함. I feel I'm having a special Christmas with this interior, hot chocolate, bibingka, and what are you going to do on Christmas? Ipaalam sa akin sa mga komento. Merry Christmas in advance!